If your Wi-Fi says no internet secured, you are not alone. Your PC is connected but nothing works. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix this issue on Windows 11. Disconnect from your Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds and connect again. If that does not work, restart your router and your computer. Many times this resets the connection and solves the problem. Also, another common reason is a wrong Wi-Fi password. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, then Manage Known Networks. Select your network and click Forget. Reconnect by entering the correct password. Next, let's check your network adapter settings. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Then Advanced Network Settings. Select your Wi-Fi adapter and click Disable. Wait a few seconds, then enable it again. Now open the adapter properties, open the Start menu and go to Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Now double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure both options are set to Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Now let's reset the IP configuration. Search for Command Prompt, right-click on it and run as administrator. Type these commands one by one and press Enter after each. Close the window and test your connection again. If the issue continues, check your proxy settings. Open the Control Panel and go to Internet Options. Go to Connections tab and then click Lane Settings. Make sure the proxy option is unchecked. If a proxy was enabled by mistake, your internet will not work. If your network driver is outdated, the internet may stop working. Manual driver updates can be slow and Windows may not find the latest version. To make this easier, you can use a tool called Advanced Driver Updater. Download it from the link in the description and install it on your PC. Open the program and click Start Scan Now. It will scan your computer for outdated drivers, including network drivers and all other drivers. When the scan is complete, you will see a list of drivers that need updating. You can update them one by one or click Update All. Restart your computer and check your internet again. As a final fix, you can reset all network settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Select Reset Now and restart your computer. This restores all network settings to default and often fixes stubborn issues. And that's it. These are the most reliable ways to fix the no internet secured problem on Windows 11. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments which method worked for you. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and share it with anyone who needs help.